Alright, so you would like to learn a really cool trick? Let me show you. This is really cool. Watch. All you do is you take your 2 plates. If you're really careful, watch. You can actually balance one right on top of the other, just like that. If you'd like to learn how to do that, stay tuned and I'll show you. All right, here it is. I'm going to show you the secret, but you have to promise not to tell anybody. That's part of the magic, keeping the secret. Watch. I place one of the plates right on top of the other one like this. Now what you're not seeing, let me show you the back view. It's still kind of a balancing act, but look at this. You actually have a pencil taped right there to the plate like that. You see? That way you can place the plate right on top, and it helps if that pencil has a little bit of an eraser on it. That way it'll stay a little bit more still. It still takes a little bit of balancing, just like that. So I suggest you don't use your mom or dad's really expensive plates. And there you go. Little magic trick for you. Really fun to do. And make sure you take the pencil off before you put it back in the dishwasher. Thanks a lot. Please make sure to like and subscribe. There's plenty more to come. See you soon. Shazam!